Hey guys, back here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. So what you need is a mixing bowl, something to mix with, some glue, and I'm going to go get some game when I'm done. So what you want to do is you want to take your glue, and pour some in there. Okay. I'm not going to add no food coloring for this, guys, so I can make it quicker. But I'm just mixing this up. So I like big batches of slime. I'm not sure if this is going to be a lot of slime, but it should be a pretty good bit of slime. So now what you want to go get is your game. So you want to pour that in there. If it's not coming together good, just add a few more drips, and I'm gonna go ahead and go put this up. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. So now what you want to do is you want to mix it all up. So I'm back. So as you can see, while you're mixing it up, it should start to turn out like slime. So it'll be a little sticky. So I'm gonna wash my hands off. I'm gonna wash my hands off. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back to mixing. Sorry, I'm in my pajamas still. But yeah. So this is your slime. When you're done, I'll show you it in a second. It's still a little sticky. Gotta play with it a little. So I'm not gonna play with it just yet. I'm gonna play with it later, and I'm gonna finish it. So yeah, your slime should start like this. So it's a little sticky. Yeah. If your slime is a little sticky, just keep playing with it, and it'll eventually get really good. So, that was how to make slime, basically. So, and yeah, so if you want to check out some more of my slime videos, just go check them out. Comment down below what you want for the giveaway, and I'll give it away. But you have to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below what you want me to give away. So, bye!